Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to some exciting announcements. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel and welcome back to the Creator Roundup. And what a month it's been. As usual, if you want more info, check out the links in the description. So let's get started. We've recently shared some exciting announcements highlighting big updates coming to YouTube over the next year. These updates are designed to reward all types of creators and help even more of you start making money on YouTube. Here's a quick overview of what's going on. Starting in 2023, creators can apply to YPP with a new Shorts threshold of 1,000 subs and 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. Plus, you can still apply to be part of YPP once you've reached 1,000 subs and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. We hope the new threshold will help more of you join YPP. We'll also introduce a new way to access fan funding even earlier with YPP, meaning you can access features like Super Chat, Super Thanks, Super Stickers, and channel memberships sooner. Beginning in early 2023, all current and future YPP creators will also be eligible for revenue sharing from ads viewed between Shorts in the Shorts feed. Revenue from these ads will be added together and used to reward Shorts creators and help cover the cost of music licensing. From the overall amount allocated to creators, you'll keep 45% of the revenue, distributed based on your share of total Shorts views. The revenue share remains the same, no matter if you use music or not. This model will replace the Shorts Fund, and we expect the majority of our Shorts Fund recipients will earn more money under this new model. We're also starting a beta to bring the super thanks you already know and love to Shorts. And finally, Creator Music is a new way to use popular music in your long-form videos while still monetizing. Creator Music will have multiple options, like paying for an upfront license to use music or sharing a percentage of ad revenue with the artists and rights holders. This will start in the United States and we'll be expanding this globally in 2023. If you want more info, we have a full video explaining this update linked in the description. When we originally rolled out Live Redirect, you told us you wanted more options to receive redirects from any streamer on YouTube, even if you've never subscribed to them. So we've added the highly requested Allow All option for Live Redirect. Now you can enable the All Channels Can Redirect to My Content option in Studio to let any streamer direct their live audience to your channel when they're done streaming. We've also brought back the Subscriber Only option. With this setting, only channels that you're subscribed to can redirect to your content unless your channel subscriptions are set to private. This option will still be the default, so you have more control over sending and receiving live redirects. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you think about the updates in the comments. We'll see you next time. Bye.